applause for Sea France. And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out.
Wow!
So flexible, right? How about an applause for Sea France? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Oh, nice smile. Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration properly in the water. And their small externators give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water's surface. Sea lions, second marine animals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat-hearted with tide pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climb abilities, which can easily scale rocky mountains. Check this out. Really strong from rivers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Ayla, the cutest. Sea lions can generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the round movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Ada. I turn it beyond. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to red axis 225 miles per hour. And that is so fast. How about an applause for Isis, the prettiest?
Wow!
Wow, nice slide. Another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about our sea lions. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part of their special operation? Yup, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. And they